How to check for unpaid balance on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the App Store application on your phone. The App Store is used to discover, download, and manage apps. It acts as a marketplace for apps developed for Apple's iOS and iPadOS operating systems. Once you're here, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile. And then, tap on your name at the top. You can manage your account settings from here. Then, go to Add Money to Account. From here, you can select an amount to add to your account. You can also check your current balance below. This way, you can always stay up to date on your balance details. Following these steps, you can easily check for unpaid balance on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.